Welcome to Azerbaijan. So we will explore what's inside in Azerbaijan. Parang utak. Parang makupa. Hindi ko siya maintindihan actually. Patayin talaga kita, El. Kumain ka na eh.
Okay, ang ganda ng pang castle-castle.
Maganda yung ano nila.
Yung floating to. Tapos yung babae. Hindi sa dyan. Wala din.
Check natin.
Punta
For
tayo.
hi. You're here?
Yes.
Yeah. For Filipino, do we need visa in Azerbaijan?
Oh, you for if as far as I know, if you'd like to visit Azerbaijan, you can visit it for 30 days without visa.
Without visa, yeah.
Yes.
Same in Kazakhstan. You are near to Kazakhstan?
By the sea, yes.
Like how many hours?
It's like approximately 2 hours.
Very near. We've been there last March. January, sorry.
February pa lang ngayon.
This area or like government buildings?
It's this one is for opera and ballet theater.
Theater.
Yes.
And this one?
This one is Ateşkah. It's so before pre-Islamic period, people in our country used to worship on our territory. Used to worship fire, and that's a temple where they used to worship fire.
This one?
It's Haydar Aliyev Center. It's like a museum. It hosts cultural events, exhibitions.
And how about that one?
It's mini Venice. It's like the mayor of Baku. He once in 1960s visited Italy and he left Venice a lot. So when he returned back, he wanted something similar in Baku.
So it's like business center nowadays?
Yes,
or?
and in the background you can see flame towers.
This one?
No, here you can see three towers. These are called flame towers. They are designed in the shape of tongues of fire. Yeah.
So these are all located in the
Yes,
city?
everything here you can see it's in Baku, in the capital.
In the city itself?
Yes.
So, next destination. Pwede ka dyan. Thank you!
September, oh. Cancel ang
Cancer ang Europe.
Europe. Doon tayo.
Walang yato.
Yan, talinggan ang ilaw sa